Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft a cheetah and grow a garden, and I'll show you guys what it does. So go to craft pets, you'll need one orange tabby, two legendary coal, and 8.5 million shekels. And you're just going to select craft. You are going to have to sacrifice your orange tabby, submit all, and press E. Oh, okay. And there you go. And it takes 40 minutes, so I'll be right back when it's done. Sorry, my voice. Okay, so now the cheetah is done, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about it. Basically, when you have this pet, it occasionally turns you into a cheetah for a duration. During that duration, harvested fruits during this time can have a chance to have the wild fast mutation. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.